Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another sweet lesson. Today I'm going to get you ready to build that white box learning glider. So my friends, let's get cracking. So in Tinkercad, I simply want you to make a duplicate of the glider that you already created. When it launches, let's zoom out so that we can see the whole glider. Let's make sure we've got an angle like this so we can see that it's standing up. And I simply want you to take a quick screenshot of it. With that screenshot taken, let's save it to our H drive or to your downloads so that we can actually annotate it in Google Drawings. Remember, we simply start a new tab, click on your app bar, find the Google Drive, choose the New button, go down to More, and choose Google Drawings. Over here we want to click Insert Image, and we are going to upload from our computer. I'm going to go to that Downloads folder and boom, bring in that sweet little image. Bring out a text box, and the first thing we're going to type is fuselage. Make sure you spell that correctly, shrink the little box so that it fits nice and nifty, and let's place it right on the fuselage because we can. Remember, if you grab the edges, it lets you rotate it and put it right where the label should be. I'm going to bring out another text box and we're going to put in that shark tooth. Once again, shrink it so it fits and put it in the location where the shark tooth should be. Remember, when you go to these, move to the edge so that they're easier to move. Let's quickly bring out another text box, and this one's going to be the grip. That's what helps us when it comes time to fly it. Make sure you always make these small so they're easier to keep track of. Another chunk of text, and I want you to type wing chord. Shrink it and adjust it. Make sure you understand that the wing chord is back here on your wing. So it's the part that attaches in the middle of the aircraft, or usually the wider part of your wing. The next one we're going to add real quickly is dihedral angle. Remember, that is about 14 degrees, maybe 15 degrees, and it is where the wing tilts up, like that. Back in the back, let's add our horizontal stabilizer. Notice if you spell it incorrectly, it will help you, so do make sure that you have them spelled correctly. I'm going to move this over to the side, but I do want to emphasize that this is a one-piece part. I'm going to press enter so that can wrap around, and then I'll be able to place it even more accurately. And then up here is the vertical stabilizer. Let's see if we can do Control-C, Control-V, grab the edge, and put the vertical stabilizer up here so it makes us a little faster typing it. Real quickly, I'm going to switch to the arrow tool, and I'm going to just draw an arrow showing that that is the vertical stabilizer. I'm going to show that this is the horizontal stabilizer. Those little dots let me line them up so that they're easier to read. The rest of these I think are pretty clear. If you want to show where the grip is, that one might not be clear. If you switch back to the Select tool, then you can actually grab your words and set them where you need to be. When you've got all of those things labeled, add your name. I'm going to put mine right here in the middle. Of course, I'm going to shrink it, and then I'm also going to make it another color, just because that's kind of fun. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to make it another color, just because that's kind of fun. You could also pick a font that makes it look a little more cool as well, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of my plane. When you've got all those things labeled, make sure you understand that we have limited supplies, so you need to be very careful. Change the file name to labeled glider, and then take a screenshot of this final page and turn it into Google Classroom. Friends, hopefully this makes you a lot more successful as you build because you already know all the parts. When you're in my room, make sure you use the supplies carefully, and I'm looking forward to seeing some sweet gliders. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.